Oh, I know. I can't believe I am making this video. Either YouTube wants me to make videos like this, and of course, we all have to submit to the almighty algorithm, so.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursue it. Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
What's up, Boss Fam? It's your boy TJ the Boss, and I am back with a weird video topic for me. Coming from me, this obviously sounds pretty freaking weird, but seems like the space is getting a little bit more popular. My channel is growing, all the other channels are growing, which is great, which means the industry is growing. But I think some of you might not be thinking this all the way through. I get it, sounds like a great idea. Do you really want to scrub toilets? Is that really what you want to do? In a world where you can start a business about anything that you're actually passionate about, you can start creating content and putting it out there, and you can do anything for other people. Then why would you choose to scrub toilets? Why would you do that? There's so many other options out there for you to do to make money. I can't imagine why you would choose scrubbing toilets over most other things. You can start a YouTube channel around anything. You can start a Shopify store, sell products on Amazon, or cut grass, or whatever. Nobody likes to do this type of work, and there's a reason for that. One of those reasons is that it's actually, aside from the risk of bloodborne pathogens and being grossed out and looking at bodily fluids and having to clean up ungodly things and trying to figure out how people get some of these substances in the places that they get them. It's physically demanding work. Even if none of that was involved, it's still physically demanding. It's hands and knees work. You can be in hot environments, dusty environments, environments where you have to have on masks so that you're not just breathing in things. We have to work with chemicals, and sometimes these chemicals may not be the best to be inhaling all day or throughout a shift. It's demanding work. It seems like it's all simple, but every now and then it's gonna call for some stuff that you really don't want to look at, or some stuff that you really probably shouldn't be breathing, some stuff that could potentially put you at risk. And all that for another reason why I don't know why you want to do this is it's such a thankless job. It's such a thankless industry to be in. Yes, there's some people who really appreciate cleaners and cleaning, but by and large, most people don't care about cleaners. Most people look past the janitor. We're invisible at most places. Most people really don't appreciate the things that we have to do in order to keep spaces clean. It can take a toll on you, and I wouldn't suggest putting yourself through that unless you have really thick skin, or unless you're ready for it and you really don't care what people think. If that's not the case, then this is not an industry for you to be in. Not to mention, to scale a cleaning business means that you have to find other people who want to clean, that don't want to start a cleaning business, that just want a job cleaning. So you have to find that small group of people that actually want to clean. And then you have to convince them to show up and clean for you. It's a lot harder than it sounds. It seems like it's getting harder and harder every day because of all the other options that there are for people to do to make money. They don't want to work for a cleaning company. People don't want to work at all. When they go to a job, they don't actually want to do any work. And when it comes to cleaning, they definitely don't want to cleaning. It's already something people hire because it's an activity that they don't want to do. They have other jobs that they're doing. They don't want to do the cleaning, or the cleaning is beneath them. Most people feel like cleaning is beneath them. They don't want to do it. So it's hard to manage employee expectations and even get them to show up. A lot of cleaners deal with a lot of no-shows. A lot of people just deal with people just never showing up to work. And then that falls back on you. Even if you say, oh, I want to start off with employees and I'm going to hire right out the gate, it's a lot more admin work than you think it is. I promise you, it's a lot. And if you have enough money to hire out even the admin work and get everything paid for and purchase training programs and employees right out the gate and marketing, and you have, if you have the funds to be able to do all of that right out the gate, then why would cleaning be what you invest that money in? Why not start a business that's a little bit more glamorous? Why wouldn't you put that money somewhere else? And if you need to start a business from the bottom, then obviously why wouldn't you just start a business with something that you care about. I can't believe that I even just made this video, so I can't even go any further. This is obviously all stuff that I have figured out. The cleaning industry has saved my life, and so I couldn't just make a video and just be bashing on the cleaning industry and cleaning business for an entire video. I just don't have it in me. I obviously have answers to all of these things, and if you are struggling with starting a cleaning business, or if you actually want to start a cleaning business and these are some of the concerns that you have, then you should definitely subscribe to this channel. I've started a cleaning business back when I was homeless about 8 years ago, and I've been able to grow it to a place where I can sustain myself and my family's life. We're comfortable. I don't usually get into the specifics of like how much money and blah 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 to brag and all of that stuff. I do well. I do okay for myself and my family. You know, I'm proud of where I am, and that's really all that matters. So if you're in a place and you want to get to that next level, then starting a business, in particular a cleaning business, can be a vehicle that can get you there. It's not for everybody, of course. We scrub toilets. That's the job. So if that's a deal breaker for you, probably not gonna last long in this industry. I still wanted to make this video to bring some perspective. If you guys want help, or you need help, or you're trying to figure out if this business is for you, book a consultation with me. The link is in the description. We can talk one-on-one and create a step-by-step plan to get you and your business to the next level. I also created a template. If you're already started and you're already trying to get clients, if you're having trouble closing those clients, I have a template for a proposal presentation. You can alter it and update it to your potential clients' information or whatever you're offering them, and change my pictures to your pictures. Obviously, you know, switch to your brand colors and all of that stuff, and it's for you. There you go. It's my gift to you. You will have to type in your email, but then you'll have the proposal. It's my gift to you. I hope that brings you guys some value. Hope this video brings you guys some value and gives you guys some perspective. But of course, yeah, this is my industry and I love it, man. Of course, those are all things that I have the answers to and things that I've worked around in my experience in my 8 years running this business. So hopefully this video in its entirety brings you guys some value. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.